Himalayan pink salt is a true scam. It has become a worldwide trend lately, but it hides a shameful characteristic behind it. What's the real problem with this seasoning? The success of this salt, originating from the quarries of the Punjab in Pakistan, has been undeniable. In this market, it was valued at $222 million in 2021, and although it's not what it really seems to be, that number would get to $300 million by 2031. It was presented as a more natural choice to classic table salt, as it is not processed during production and no anti-caking agents are added. Having said this, everything regarding this mineral went quite well, because besides its sales as a seasoning, it was discovered that Himalayan pink salt would have other very interesting properties. It turns out it allegedly had a higher concentration of minerals than table salt, such as phosphorus, bromine, boron, and zinc. And since it's presented in larger crystals than fine salt, there's less sodium present in each portion. And to further enhance the myth around this mineral, it's also being used as an alternative treatment to improve certain bodily functions. Some people put pink salt crystals in their bathtubs, believing it's good for the skin. Others go into salt caves to breathe saline air, which supposedly helps treat ailments like sinusitis, asthma, and various allergies. But once we look at a science, the outlook changes. Many specialists have questioned the use of Himalayan pink salt for various reasons, and they've reached conclusions that won't please this mineral's defenders. Firstly, there's a well-thought-out marketing strategy behind this salt. Its pink color has an aesthetic value that's highly valued in the world of social media. For many, it's evident that a photo of a pink salt crystal will have more success than that of an ordinary one, and in part, this has caused its price to go up and reach insane numbers. 100 grams of this salt can cost up to 20 times more than the same amount of table salt. Moreover, the statement that pink salt is purer and healthier than its counterpart is false. It turns out that the large quantity of minerals present in this salt represents just 2% of the total, while the remaining 98% is sodium chloride. In other words, besides that tiny amount of minerals not having much effect on your body, this product is almost identical to regular salt. And as if that weren't enough, the supposed healing properties of this salt are not scientifically proven, meaning they're more of a promise than a reality. The lesson here is quite clear. Don't believe everything you hear at first, and always be eager to know more.